This is Wild Chronicles. I'm Boyd Matson. Under the cover of a brilliant moon, villagers flee across a river to safety. There's a potential rogue killer on the loose tonight. And a mounted patrol out to get him. Another elephant falls victim to the growing conflict between man and beast. Large herds of elephants once roamed across northeast India, but burgeoning human development has cut severely into their habitat. Some elephants are domesticated. While wild elephants are pushed into smaller and smaller areas, their herds fractured, their migratory routes destroyed. As a result, hungry wild elephants are increasingly devastating crops, even attacking people. Most poor villagers stock grain in their huts and brew a liquor of rice and grain. It's all too tempting for some elephants. Victims like Sujata Kumari are terrified by the rampages.
Wild elephants attacked us. I was very scared. I looked out of my window. I saw there were 3 elephants and one with a big tusk standing right in front of my window.
Angry villagers have killed wild elephants in retaliation. Conservationists like Tariq Aziz of the World Wildlife Fund says it's vital to keep elephants away from human villages in order to protect both.
But those people who have to bear the brunt of elephants raiding their crops, coming into their villages, breaking their homes, and or killing human beings is of course having a severe impact on the opinion of people about elephants.
So the WWF has come up with some innovative ways to keep elephants safely at bay. This fence may not look too sturdy, but it's armed with a secret weapon: chili powder.
Bhut jalokia, one of the hottest chilies produced in Assam, is mixed with grease and smothered over ropes. And those ropes are put around in the form of a fence, the area we want to protect. It is believed that the elephants do not like the strong, pungent smell of the chilies, and they keep away from the place.
The hot chili fences have proved successful. But there are still clashes. A large herd of wild elephants is trampling fields of tea and sugarcane. Tension is high, and frustrated farmers are ready to shoot. But a WWF patrol soon arrives with domesticated elephants. It's a potentially dangerous standoff. The wild elephants could charge. But finally, the noise forces them to turn and lumber off into the woods.
Herd them together and push them back looks very simple, but it can become ugly if not tackled properly. Any single elephant or a group of elephants from the wild herd can turn around and do things that can become very ugly.
Afterwards, the team stops to give their mounts a well-deserved bath. It's a moment to savor, a crisis averted. But conservationists say much more is needed to keep human development and elephant protection on the right track. Check for Wild Chronicles on your local PBS station.
Sponsored by National Geographic Mission Programs, taking science and exploration into the new millennium.
For the best subscription offers to any National Geographic magazine, log on to nationalgeographic.com/magazines.